Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying model and Android build, because recovery ability depends on firmware and encryption. Once those details are logged, immediately stop using the phone to prevent data overwrite. Make sure to remove the SIM and any external SD card, and do not sync or install apps. Next, set up a PC with OEM USB drivers, enable USB debugging if possible, and install ADB. These first steps give you the tools to access partitions and run the recovery sequence safely. Once you have the phone connected and ADB working, boot into the appropriate mode, recovery or fast boot, and create a full raw image of internal storage using DD or a recommended imaging command. This preserves data and prevents further change. If the image is readable, load it into forensic or file recovery software to scan and carve files. If the device was encrypted, try restoring OEM or Google account backups first, because carving encrypted blocks without keys is not feasible. Make sure to document every step for integrity. Finish by extracting recovered files to a separate computer drive and verify integrity and timestamps. Once done, catalog what was recovered and securely archive originals. If your tools cannot parse the image or the data appears overwritten or zeroed, stop and consult a professional forensic lab, because continued attempts can make recovery impossible. A key troubleshooting tip: if your images contain only zeros or random blocks, the factory reset plus trim has likely destroyed data. Do not write to the device and seek expert help immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.